How to use chamfer command in AutoCAD. This command is used for a cut of sharp corner with a straight edge. Create a chamfer edge in design mechanical and electrical parts. Make a drawing. I have two straight line corner. I want to chamfer this corner. Type chamfer command on your keyboard and shortcut key CHA, then press enter. Now command is active. Type a distance and set to distance. I give the distance by 150 mm and again second line 150 mm. Select the two line. Now you see this line is corner to chamfer. So this is the use of chamfer command. Thank you for watching this video.